For 65 years, Evercoat has been producing innovative solutions that perform. Now, one of the world's leading manufacturers, Evercoat brings a new level of innovation to the UK's crash repair market with the introduction of Rage OPTEX Premium Filler. Rage OPTEX is the new premium grade body filler with color change technology. The change in color during the curing process from pink to green is the visual indication that the filler is now ready to sand. It also reassures the technician that the material has been catalyzed correctly and that the performance and quality of the repair won't be compromised. This short video will demonstrate how the new OPTEX color change technology combines with Evercoat's industry-leading body filler performance to deliver a new level of operator efficiency to the body shop process, be it for smart, shallow, or deep repairs. As with all Evercoat product applications, compliant PPE must be used in all stages of the repair process. Dispense the OPTEX Premium Filler onto the Rhino mixing board. Add the blue hardener at a standard ratio of 2% and then mix thoroughly to achieve the smooth consistency required. Start applying the OPTEX with a thin coat onto the repair area. Gradually build up the depth of the filler with even coats across the repair. Once applied, there is no need for the technician to set the clock to establish the drying time. OPTEX color change technology takes the guesswork and heel kicking out of the curing process. Rage OPTEX sets a new standard for ease of sanding. As they say in Cincinnati, green means go. When the OPTEX has changed from pink to green, the material is ready to be sanded, and with the confidence of knowing that the risk of rework has been eliminated. Rage OPTEX Premium Filler is now ready to sand with Rhino Grip HT Line Strip P80 and Dust Extraction Block. Sand the filler to achieve the required shape of repair. Then select P180 strip to remove all of the coarse sanding marks, leaving a smooth surface finish. Rage OPTEX contains eco-resin, Evercoat's patented resin technology that delivers superior sanding characteristics and results. Using the orbital sander with Rhino Grip HT Line Disc P320, prepare the repair and surrounding area for the application of 440 Express. 440 Express is Evercoat's unique formulation for the elimination of micro pinholes. Simply apply a small amount with a cloth to cover the OPTEX filler and leave to dry for 15 minutes. Enhanced primer coverage optimizes material usage in the priming process. OPTEX color change technology combines with Evercoat's industry-leading body filler and putty performance to deliver a new level of operator efficiency to the body shop process. Metal Glaze OPTEX is the premium putty for use as a finishing glaze coat over body filler and for small spot filling. For more information on how Rage OPTEX technology can deliver efficiency improvements to your repair process and business operation, contact Indasa Abrasives.